Benton and Port Benton. This train has 5 coaches. Attention please. The 2205 Stepford Connect service to Port Benton has been cancelled. This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable. The train now approaching platform 4 terminates here. Your attention please. The 2216 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central has been cancelled.
Stepford Central.
This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable.
Here. All change please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
Platform 4 for the 2207 Stepford Connect service to Stepford UFC. Calling at Stepford East, High Street, Whitefield Lido, and Stepford UFC. This train has 4 coaches. The train now approaching platform 1 terminates here. Platform 10 for the 2207 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, and Edgemead. This train has 5 coaches. The train now approaching platform 5 terminates here. Platform 1 for the 2208 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea via Benton. Calling at St Helens Bridge, Benton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, West Wyvern, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train has 4 coaches. First class is located at the rear of this train. The train now approaching platform 6 terminates here.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Stepford UFC. We will be calling at Stepford East, High Street, Whitefield Lido, and Stepford UFC. The next station is Stepford East. We will shortly be arriving at Stepford East. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
This is Stepford East. This train is for Stepford UFC. The next station is High Street. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Stepford UFC. The next station is High Street. We will shortly be arriving at High Street. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Platform 2211, Stepford Connect service to Stepford UFC. Calling at Whitefield Lido and Stepford UFC. This train has 4 coaches.
This is High Street. This train is for Stepford UFC. The next station is Whitefield Lido. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Stepford UFC. The next station is Whitefield Lido.
Platform 1 for the 2212 Stepford Connect service to Stepford UFC. Calling at Stepford UFC only. This train has 4 coaches.
This is Whitefield Lido. This train is for Stepford UFC. The next station is Stepford UFC. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Stepford UFC. The next station is Stepford UFC. We will shortly be arriving at Stepford UFC. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please.
The train now approaching platform 2 terminates here. This train is the service from Stepford Central.
This is Stepford UFC. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.